raise out.
You have no choice. Okay, you have no choice, right? So, okay. So I assume everyone has raised your hand. Okay. So what I want to say is, no matter when you raise your hand in question 1 or question 2 or question 3, this book will really give you a higher chance, but cannot guarantee, of course. Will give you a higher chance. Okay. So I'm going to share this book with you. Maybe someone you have already heard of this book. Question behind the question. Does anyone heard about this book? No? Okay. This is a very thin book. It's like 100 pages. I think less than 150 pages. So it's quite easy to read. And I think this book, I just give 2 points as a highlight. Okay. So this book actually is focusing on 2 things: practicing personal accountability at work and in your life. So this is something very, very fruitful for you, I think, and it's easy to understand. And we're also focusing on what, how, and I. I means yourself, okay? Myself, like if I'm talking about this, okay? So this is something very important if you can practice, okay? And these are the sample questions, that you have to ask yourself. How can I adapt to the changing world? What can I do to develop myself? Okay. How can I help? What can I do to understand other people's challenges and frustrations? Okay. How can I become part of the solution? What can I do today to excel in my work? So you can see these questions actually, this book is actually talking about the main answers, like what can I do or how I should do to make it improve. Okay, so try to see this book and read this book. I have a Kindle version. If you want me to share, of course, you have to buy in a proper way. But if you want to read, please let me know, and I suggest you to buy this book, and this will give you really, really more happiness and self-satisfaction. Okay, and it will help you at work and also in life. Okay, so that is the thing I want to share as a personal sharing. Any questions that you want to ask yourself? Maybe you have a question like, how can I do to make the appraisal of a higher score or something like that? Yeah, so please ask yourself, okay? Yeah, okay? Okay, if no more questions, finally, okay, so go to the Q&A section. Brenda, you want to ask something?